Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 14th of October 2014. The trade for the day is called First Rand. Code is FSR and last traded price was 41 Rand 40 cents. Action is to go long or buy. Entry level is 41 Rand 67. So looking at the chart, they're expecting this blue line to be broken on 41 Rand 67. And go to the green line, that will be the target of 45.87. Red line is the stop loss to be used, and that will be a level of 40 Rand and 27 cents. Current open trades is SPAR, Steinhoff and African Rainbow Minerals. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, the blue line is the index movement, still trading underneath the grey dotted line of 5-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average as the solid grey line. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, I just want to bring it to your attention. They actually closed on Monday evening another 115 points negative, closing on a level of 16,544 points. It's close to this red line here. Looking at this specific share or index of the US markets, you will basically see from this high to this low here, the index lost almost a value of 4.3%. That is close to 735 points the last 21 days, sending this index in a downward spiral. Currently, the futures are a bit higher in the morning, for late afternoon opening, while the European index and futures are negative. And this could change at any time, so we need to track this European index because there could be speculation that they can go back into recession due to the economy growth. So as you can see, downward movement happening there. Looking at the J200, that is the top 40 shares on the JSE. Now yesterday they actually had a bit of a movement upwards, still trading in a downward spiral or channel between the green and the purple line on this channel on the Bollinger Bands. Looking at your shares like Shoprite, still underneath my 136.56 level here of support and currently trading at 134.75. And that's a bit of concern because the share is still trading between the Bollinger Bands, between the green and the purple on the downward channel here. For this one to move up, it needs to break this green line to go physically higher. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price also broke my support in the 61.8%, currently trading here at a level of 202.36 and that low was 204.06. Now the big question is, will the rand and dollar help these companies sitting at here at 11.02 levels? Looking at Willys, now Willys is currently trading two big support levels. One is the level of 68.45 and the other one is on the level of 71.34. This is the top here and the high here. Now currently it's testing the middle Bollinger Band and the bottom of the Bollinger Band on the purple line. So the big question is, can you go a bit sideways now and starting to lose momentum and wait for the direction to play out? Looking at your telecommunications, looking at MTN, had support on 233.45 cents on the 61.8% on the Fibonacci. Now it actually came down again close to these levels, currently trading at 234.83. So it's almost about a 1 Rand 20 movement from this previous lows, and it started to move here just underneath the green of the Bollinger Band and the purple. So the purple is going sideways and the green is going downwards. So we need to see if there's going to be a continuous sideways pattern or a breakdown. If it breaks, is 233.45. Vodacom. Now Vodacom is still also testing the 61.8% on a level of 124.55, close at a level of 124.50, so it's just underneath it, but it's not likely. As you can see, there was a lot of support levels previously there. So the big question is, can you go in this downward channel, start moving up? And the lows are currently on the purple line. The high to be tested could be the green line on the Bollinger Band, and that is close to a level of 127, 128. So the big question is, where can you go in this directional market that's quite volatile? Looking at your banking shares, Barclays Bank, There's the momentum went down. Momentum is currently going sideways, but it's struggling to break this 156.88 levels. Currently trading here at 156.91. So there's highs to be tested here, and there's the lows. So that is due to an uncertain, volatile market going sideways. Looking at Standard Bank. Standard Bank still in a nice downward channel between the green and the purple, getting support here again on the 61.8% of a level of 127.44. This 61.8% is a very important level on the Fibonacci's, because that could indicate a low level or a starting of a momentum going up. Level to be broken on this specific share to go high must be above the 132 levels here on this line here, and confirmed with the Bollinger Band as well, and currently trading at 128. Looking at the share like Imperial. Now Imperial had a nice movement after this downside movement. There's the lows, there's the highs, and it actually broke this green line of the Bollinger Band upwards and the support here. So we need to confirm if this is now really a confirmation of a breakup happening on the specific share that can indeed go back here to the 187, 188 levels in the short term. So this is what you want to see in the market happening when it starts to recover. So we need to see if this specific movement can continue to go physically higher. Well, enjoy your trading, and best luck for today.